What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775 back with another video. Today, I'll be doing an unboxing of a brand new set of on-the-ear headphones. I haven't done an on-the-ear in a long time because this is going to be my last unboxing of the year. My upcoming videos will be my top headphones and whatnot. Yeah, will be my top headphones video. That should come right before the end of the year. But I wanted to get this last unboxing out of the way because I still had some Samsung credit when I picked up my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, because I was one of the first people to pick it up. I was one of the first people to have it, and they gave me like $100 credit because what do you call that? I ordered it earlier, $100 or $150, something like that. Well, I was gonna get the Galaxy earbuds, but then I thought to myself, wait a minute, I hate earbuds. Because, you know, they go in your ear, and I got a lot of ear infections. I mean, I get like 2 or 3 minimum a year, and that's because I do all these tests with these headsets. And having something in my ears, like the earbuds, they cause me, they irritate my ears. So I either get on ear or over the ear, and this isn't on the ear. And this is something from the Samsung store. I had to get something from the Samsung store, hence why I got this. Now, I bought this. I had this for quite a while. I've been sitting on this for quite a while, for like 2 months already. I had this a long time ago. I just never got around to unboxing it. But I wanted a decent on-the-ear set of cans, and what I picked up for you folks to show off to you folks is the AKG Y500 on-the-ear headphones, and this is, yes, a blue set of on-the-ear cans. Folks that know AKG make wonderful headphones. They make these really superb studio type headphones. They have a few high-end Bluetooth headphones as well. A bit pricey. I don't know if it's worth that price. And I think this one, when this headset came out, it was like, well, it was like $150, something like that. I know I got it for about $80 because it was on sale. Maybe that was with the tax. So I used some of my Samsung credit and I picked this up. I think these are going from about $80 to Amazon. I could be wrong now. The prices are different everywhere. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And yes, I did pick this up myself. That promo credit, that was all me because I picked up that Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is recording this video, by the way. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this. So, wait, before I unbox it, I'm going to read off some specs. So it comes with a 3.5mm cable, and it's 1.2 meters long, 3.5mm to 2.5mm jack. All right, 40mm drivers. You got let's see, it doesn't say what Bluetooth. It's 33 hours of battery life supposedly. Quick charge. It says quick charge. 5 minutes equals 1 hour of battery. That's not bad. That's pretty good. It does not say what Bluetooth, like codec it's using, 4.05, 4.1, 4.2. I'm assuming it's going to be either 4.1 or 4.2. I don't know if this was 5.0. I don't know. And I don't have no idea if it's supporting aptX. It doesn't say, because if it was supporting aptX, it would usually say it on the box. But I could be wrong. So let's go ahead and unbox this. The 2 pieces of tape to cut. So I cut the tape. Here it is. Here we go. Da 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 da. Oh, it's in a plastic thing. Sorry. Ready? Here we go. Da 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 da. That's the Samsung AKG Y500. Why do I call it Samsung? Is it a Samsung headphones? They partner with Harman. AKG by Harman. Oh, they're the same company. I forgot. Wow, these look really slick. Look at this. That's the headset itself. So yeah, these are a bit smaller than over-the-ear headphones. Over-the-ear, they cover your entire ear and they form a really good seal. These are just going to cover your ear hole right here, and it should form a sufficient seal enough to seal in the sound and provide a really nice sound quality. Now look at the case. That was the box. The presentation is nice. Don't get me wrong. This presentation is clean. Look at this. Even though it's not a hard case, but look at this case. Oh my gosh. Look, AKG. This is slick. I like this. this is a slick case. Let's see what else. Here are the cables that they come with. So yeah, it is a 3.5mm jack to a 2.5mm. Huh. Wow, I'm assuming that part goes into the headphone part. And this one is the universal one. It goes into any 3.5mm input. And this is the USB-A to micro USB cable to charge it. Let's see what else. In your books and stuff, instructions. I'm gonna put that there. And on the wire, there are inline controls on the wire. Okay, detachable 1-button remote with microphone, universal cable for calls and audio control. This is 1 button. I have to play with this later. When I do the review of this headset, I'll let you know how I think about it. But I'm probably not going to use it for calls and whatnot. Well, if someone calls my phone while I'm listening to music, of course I'm going to take the call. But I'm most likely not going to use the wire. I'm going to be using Bluetooth. And today I will be pairing this Samsung headset to my LG V30. And I can't seem to pull out the headset. Oh, that's why. Look at this. This headset is actually pretty slick looking. Kind of reminds me of the Skull Candy, what do you call that? Oh, I forgot. Rift Wireless. You see how these things are? But this cushion right here. You can tell this is night and day better than the Skull Candy Rift Wireless cushions right here. The Skull Candy Rift Wireless, they were really like a spongy material, very similar to this, but this is more of a premium faux leather, or it could be leather. I have no idea, but it feels premium. Wow. Let me go ahead and test the fit. This screams premium. Oh yeah, these are light. Like, gotta adjust it. I gotta adjust it a little bit. Wow, these just fit on your head. I'm something special because I had them on backwards. There we go. Look at that. Whoa! They look slick. I'm gonna go ahead and get this paired with the LG V30. I'll be back with a little jump cut. Alright folks, I went ahead and got this paired with my LG V30. Now, I did not show you was the buttons on this thing. The buttons are a little different. Here on the, what ear cup is this? The left ear cup, you have the play and pause button. The play and pause button right there. And take a look at this volume up and down button. This volume up and down button, you tap up to increase the volume. Just tap up once. Tap up down to decrease the volume, and long press up to skip forward and long press down to skip back. Now look at the right ear cup. Look at this button right here. It's different. So it's in the, what do you call that right there? It's in the on position right now, but to turn it on, it was 1 notch up. Basically, you turn it on, you hold the button down to turn it on, and for like 5 seconds it'll go into pairing mode, and this thing paired quick. Okay, I have no idea what this button is, but when in the review portion, I'm probably gonna talk about it. You know what? I'll look at instructions. I'll leave a little notation right here when I put this video out. But main thing is, I wanted to talk about the build quality. Build quality, it feels premium. Hey, you got a metal band here, and you got a thick piece of plastic right here. Okay, and then the headband itself. It's premium feeling. You got the AKG logo, and you got a very small padded cushion up on the bottom. Now, on the bottom of the cushion, I don't know if you can see it. It says Y500 embroidered in there. It's like ghosted in there, which I think is pretty slick. Now, the only thing that worries me about this headset are these hinges right here. You see how they flip? Okay, this one goes on your right. They flip upwards like this. So you got these on your head, you're bumping the music, then someone's talking to you, you just flip them, they go down, they easily fit around your neck. This will easily fit a big person's head. You got a big size dome, but they flip 90 degrees upwards like that. But yeah, this is probably the only weakness, these hinges right here. But this part is metal, but the housing that's holding this, that metal hinge is plastic. So this could probably break if you drop it. So be careful. But now that I got it paired, I am gonna go and listen to some music. This is an unboxing and first impressions. I usually don't go into a lot of detail about what the buttons are until I'm done with it. I'm gonna figure it out. I don't know what that button is, but I want to hear how it sounds. Okay, I took a total chance with this headset. I have no idea how it sounds. I looked at the reviews on the Samsung website. It had like 4.5 stars, but that's Samsung, you know, so it wasn't like something like Amazon. So let me see. What song should I play? Let's play some Convex for you. Oh, it's too big now. See, it's light. It doesn't squeeze your head at all. And look where the volume is again. I'm pretty sure that's full blast. Oh. Huh. Wow, okay. The sound is really clean. It's decent volume. Now, my Blue Ant pump soles might be a mite louder, but these aren't bad at all. The sound quality is super clean. Whew. Not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna play another song. Let's play another song real quick. Play some Robin. Light it up. Let's hear some vocals from Robin. Huh? Whoa! This headset is pretty good. Now, is it worth that $150 price tag for those who bought these when these first came out? Heck no! But for the price I'm paid for it, it's pretty close. Let me see. Let me see if I can find another song. I'm not gonna let you folks hear this song because I don't want to get copyright struck. Let's see some Nightwish. Let's listen to more vocals. Wow, Floor is amazing. Floor Jansen. Okay. So, first impressions. Very impressive sound quality. Now, the mids, the highs, they're crystal clear. Okay, AKG, they don't mess around. The mids are smooth. The highs, they're crystal clear. And the bass, it's a clean bass. Now, it's not a thumping, overwhelming bass. It's a clean bass. You can say some of the bass is even tight, but the bass is not the focal point. It's the balance of this. That's the balance of this headset is the focal point of this headset. And it's a phenomenal headset. Don't get me wrong, it has some bass. I like it. Why did it turn on? Strange. But yeah, I mean, for what I paid for, it comes pretty close. Huh? Are these smart headphones where they think when they think you're on your head, they turn on? I wonder. Wait. Oh, they are. These are smart headphones. So basically, you put them on like this, the sound turns back on. I had no idea about that feature. No idea. Huh. Interesting, interesting. But yeah, the sound quality. I'm gonna do more testing with this headset, but so far, for what I paid for, I'm thinking it's worth it. Now, this is just a guesstimation. Come a week and a half when I actually do the full review of this and I do the video, I'll let you folks know if it's totally worth that $80 price tag or if it's worth a lot less, okay? But if you're looking to pick this headset up and it's more than $100, don't do it. I can tell you for a fact. There are other on-the-ear or over-the-ear headphones for under $100 that sound better than this, but these have potential. I'm gonna break these in and let you folks know. But yeah, it's Guddang 775, just a mile boy in Texas, aka Sully. I want to thank you folks for watching this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang 775. Peace out.